Morning to all dear students and welcome back again in today's grammar session. Today we will see lesson number 14, countables. Countable means what? See, there are so many things around us. The things that we can count are known as countable things. Here so many examples are given to you, such as pen, ant, ball and mouse. See here, when the thing is single means only one. If the thing is only one, then it is known as singular. And if there are things more than two, that are known as plural things. For example, here only one pen is here. So we can say that a pen. Here two pens are there. So we will see here 1, 2, 2 pens. We cannot read here pen because pen are more than 2. So 2 pens. Here more than 2 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can read as many pens. When there is only one thing, it is known as singular. And where there are things 2 or more than 2, then they are known as plural things. See here, definitions are given to you. Just we will study. Pen, ant, ball and mouse are things that can be counted. Such things are called countables. When the number of countable things is 1, it is a singular number. And when the number of countable things is more than 1, it is plural number. Example we have seen regarding pen. Another example is given to you, ant. See, ant, the spelling begins with vowel. You know very well, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U. So before ant, we will write A-N, an, ant. Here 2 ants. Here the things are more than 1. So they are plural. So ant, ants. A-N-T, ant is singular. A-N-T-S, ants, plural. Here more than 2 ants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we can say that many ants. Same example for ball. Here only one ball is here. So we can read as a ball. Here 2 balls. So plural. The things are more than 1. So for one ball we will read ball. And for 2 we will read as balls. More than 2 we will read many balls. Another example is given to you, mouse. Only one mouse is here. So we can read as a mouse. More than 1, here 2 are given. So what is the plural of mouse? Mice. M-I-C-E, mice. Next, here 4. So we can read as many mice. All of you make bracket to these definitions. The things that can be counted are known as countables. And when the number of countable thing is 1, it is singular number. And when the number of countable things is more than 1, then it is a plural number. All of you make bracket and afterwards you have to read this. Moving towards our next page. See here, singular and plural things are given to you. So one by one we will read. See, for book is a singular and plural of book is books. B-O-O-K book, B-O-O-K-S books. C-A-T cat, C-A-T-S cats. C-O-W cow, C-O-W-S cows. D-O-G dog, D-O-G-S dogs. E-double-G egg, E-double-G-S eggs. F-A-N fan, FANS, fans. GOAT, goat, plural of goat, GOATS, goats. Next, HEN, hen, HENS, hens. INK, 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 POTS, ink, pots. Here we can make plural by adding S. See here, everywhere we have added S. So we made plural by adding S. Another is given to you. We can make plural by adding ES. See here, in column B we will make plural by adding ES. So we will add ES and we will make plural. For example, BOX, box, BOXES, boxes. BRUSH, brush, BRUSHES, brushes. CLASS, class, CLASSES, classes. DRESS, dress, DRESSES, dresses. BUS, bus, BUSES, buses. MATCH, match, MATCHES, matches. And last word is given to you, WATCH, watch. Its plural is WATCHES. I hope everybody understood. In column A we made plural by adding S, and in column B we made plural by adding ES. Now here column C is given to you. This is little bit different. Here LEAF, leaf. In this we have to remove F and we have to add VES. See, LEAF, leaf. F we have to remove and we have to write VES. So plural of leaf is LEAVES. Here LIFE, life. This FE we have to remove and we have to add VES. So plural of life is LIVES, lives. Same, another example is given to you here. Just see. WIFE, wife. Its plural is WIVES, wives. KNIFE, knife. Plural is KNIVES, knives. SHELF, shelf. Plural is SHELVES. Here we have to remove F or FE and instead of that we have to write VES. Now here number D. Here we have to remove Y and instead of Y we have to write with IES. See here, BABY, baby. This Y we have to remove and we have to add IES. So BABIES, baby, babies. Next, CRY, cry, CRIES. Here we removed Y and we added IES. Cry, cries. Lady, ladies. LADY, lady, LADIES, ladies. Now next examples are given to you here. DAY, day, DAYS, days. PLAY, play, PLAYS, plays. MONKEY, monkey, MONKEYS, monkeys. DONKEY, donkey, DONKEYS, donkeys. Now there are some different words. We can make plural by another way. Here we cannot add S, ES or VES or IES. Their plural form is different. For example, MAN, man. Its plural is MEN, main. Man, main. Now next is WOMAN, woman. plural WOMEN, women. LOUCE, louse. LICE, lies. Same word like louse. MOUSE, mouse. MICE, mice. Plural of tooth is teeth. TOOTH, tooth. TEETH, teeth. FOOT, foot. Its plural is FEET, feet. Next, CHILD, child. Its plural is CHILDREN, children. GOOSE, goose, and its plural is GEESE, geese. I hope everybody understood the plural forms. Now we will solve worksheet. Now we will solve worksheet given on page number 29. See here. Question A. Fill up each blank. Somewhere singular is given to you. Somewhere plural is given to you. Where singular is given, you have to write its plural. Whereas plural is given, you have to write its singular form. So let's see. Sister, sisters. SISTERS, sisters. Here hands are given to you. So here singular will come, hand. HAND. Pupil, pupils. Right here, PUPILS. Friends, its singular is correct, friend. FRIEND, friend. Man, what is its plural? Man. MEN, man. Now babies, its singular is baby. BABY, baby. Orange, its plural is oranges. ORANGES. See, plural teeth is given to you. So what is the singular form of teeth? Correct, tooth. TOOTH, tooth. Child, plural is children. CHILDREN, children. Watches, its singular is watch. WATCH, watch. Glass, plural is glasses. GLASSES. What is the singular of leaves? Leaf. LEAF. Now next part we will study about foot. Plural is feet. FEET, feet. Teachers. Here singular is teacher. TEACHER. Now woman, woman. WOMEN. Pencil, its singular is pencil. PENCIL. We have to remove S. Box, how will you make its plural? By adding ES. BOXES, boxes. What is the singular form of mice? Mouse. MOUSE, mouse. Day, we can make plural by adding S. DAYS, days. Flies, fly. FLY, fly. Fly, flies. Shelf, F we have to remove and we have to add VES. SHELVES, shelves. Singular of kites, kite. KITE, kite. Plural of goose, geese. Given on page number 28. Geese, geese. And singular of balloons, balloon, Ballon. I hope everybody understood how to make plurals when singular is given and how to make singular when plural is given to you. Now next number B is, see here, strike of the wrong word. The word which is wrong, that you have to strike. See, I have a sister or sisters. Here a is given to you, means only one sister. So for singular, sister. So I have a sister, this is correct. So which word is wrong? Sisters. So this one you have to strike. You can make cross also. Next sentence is given to you. Each of us has 2 feet. Foot. Both the options are given to you. 2 means plural. So what is the plural of foot? Feet. So the correct statement is each of us has 2 feet. Here foot is wrong. So strike this foot. Then third, our class has 20 pupils. Means student. So 20 is a plural number. So pupils is the correct one and pupil is wrong. So pupil you have to cancel. Next, this boxes is very heavy. Here THIS, this we use for the singular. So here will come box. Box will not come. For singular we can use box and verb is. So this box is very heavy. Boxes is the wrong word. So strike out these boxes. These knife or knives are not sharp. The word these we use for plural things. So knives is plural. So knife is singular. This is the wrong one. So the correct is these knives are not sharp. Number 6. There are 5 men or men in the room. 5. 5 means more than 1. Means it is plural. Then we will use the plural form of man, men. So there are 5 men in the room. So which word is wrong? Man. So strike out man. Number 7. How many brothers have you? How many brothers have you? Have we use for plural. So brothers is the correct word. And which is the wrong one? Brother. So strike out brother. Shut all the door or doors and window or windows. All means plural. So we will use plural forms. Doors and windows are correct. This singular door and singular window, strike out. Shut all the doors and windows. I hope everybody understood worksheet question number 1 and question number 2. Thank you.